Getting verified on Spotify used to feel like a big deal, but now it's super simple. As long as your music is live or scheduled for release through a distributor like DistroKid, TuneCore, or CD Baby, you can get verified just by claiming your profile. Go to Spotify for artists. Log in with the same email tied to your distributor, then search for your artist name and submit the claim. Once approved, you'll automatically get that blue check mark. No need for a minimum number of followers or special requests. Being verified gives you access to important tools. You can pitch unreleased songs to editorial playlists, update your profile photo in bio, and see detailed streaming analytics, and even add your own canvas videos. It also just makes your artist page look more official, which helps build trust when new people find your music. The whole process usually takes a few days, and once it's done, you're set. If you're serious about growing on Spotify, don't skip this step and hit subscribe if this helped and comment your artist name. I'll check you out and share some feedback. And also, if you do have any questions of any other topic that you want us to make, drop them in the comment as well, and we'll get back with a video regarding that topic.